Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the second part of our chapter, that is acid, bases and salts from class 7 science. Okay, so let us start. Neutralization. Now we are going to see what happens if we mix an acid and a base. We will prepare a solution of hydrochloric acid or HCl, which is an acid, and a solution of sodium hydroxide or NaOH, which is a base. Let us take 5 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid in a test tube. Look at the color of the solution. Now look at the color of the indicator phenolphthalein. We are going to add 2-3 drops of this indicator to the acid. Look at the color of the acid now. Did it change color? You know that in an acid, phenolphthalein indicator is colorless. What we are going to do now is use a dropper and add a little base to the acid, drop by drop. Keep shaking the test tube gently and see what happens. Keep adding sodium hydroxide drop by drop and keep shaking the acid. The color of the acid eventually becomes faintly pink. You know that phenolphthalein indicator is faintly pink in a basic solution. Now add a few drops of hydrochloric acid again to the solution. What do you see? The solution becomes colorless again. This means the solution has become acidic. Add a few more drops of sodium hydroxide to the solution. The indicator turns pink again. This means the solution is basic now. When an acid solution mixes in a basic solution, a reaction happens between them. This results in the formation of a new substance called salt is formed along with water. This is the reaction. HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O, that is hydrogen chloride. When reacts with sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium chloride plus water, means HCl acid. When reacts with the base sodium hydroxide, it gives salt, that is NaCl, and water is generated. Now you know that hydrochloric acid is HCl and sodium hydroxide is NaOH. So HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl and H2O. H2O, all you know, is water. NaCl is a salt. The chemical name is sodium chloride. Okay, this we have learned in online class. We know it as a common salt that we eat in our food every day. The chemical reaction that takes place between acids and base is called neutralization. Right? It results in the formation of salt and water. You may wonder whether salts are acidic or basic. Well, it changes from salt to salt. Some salt solutions are acidic, some are basic, and some are neutral. When a strong base and a strong acid react and forms a salt, that salt is usually neutral. Sodium chloride is a neutral salt, so is sodium sulfate and sodium nitrite. These are what? These are neutral salts. Both red and blue litmus are unaffected by this salt. Okay. If a strong acid reacts with a weak base, the salt formed is acidic. And see, hydrochloric acid or HCl is a strong acid and ammonium hydroxide or NH4OH is a weak base. So here the salt form will be acidic. The neutralization reaction is HCl plus NH4OH gives NH4Cl plus H2O. The salt form is ammonium chloride. What kind of salt do you think it will be? it will be acidic. Okay, it is an acidic salt. Ammonium sulfate is also an acidic salt. Similarly, if a weak acid reacts with a strong base, the salt form is basic. Washing soda or sodium carbonate and baking soda or sodium bicarbonate are all basic salts. We use the neutralization reaction many times. You know that there is a hydrochloric acid in our stomach. If this acid becomes too much, we suffer from acidity. Right? The doctor advised us to drink milk of magnesia, which is a base. The base neutralizes the acid and makes us feel better. Using chemical fertilizers makes the soil acidic too. So, some bases like slaked lime or quicklime is added to the soil. This base neutralizes the acid in the soil and the soils become fertile again. If the soil is too basic, then organic fertilizers are added to the soil. The organic fertilizer create acids. These acids neutralize the additional base in the soil. Factory waste contain acids too. If they flow into water bodies, the acids are harmful to marine life. So we add bases to the waste and neutralize it before releasing it. Wasps are insects which sting. Their sting is basic. These are the insects whose stings are basic. So vinegar, which is an acid, is used on the sting. It neutralizes the acid. Bees and ants have acidic sting. So bases such as baking powder are used to neutralize those stings. Thus, we see that acids and bases and salts have many industrial uses. If there is a food stuck in our teeth, it produces acid and causes tooth decay. Toothpaste are basic. They neutralize the acid and protect our teeth. The shampoo that you use is basic. It causes small scales to rise on your hair. These makes your hair unmanageable. After shampooing, you see conditioner. Conditioner is acidic. It neutralizes the effect of the shampoo and causes the scales to close up and makes your hair smoother. What did we just learn? The chemical reaction that takes place between acids and bases is called neutralization. Right? It results in the formation of salt and water and heat too. Some salt solutions are acidic, some are basic and some are neutral. Right? Neutralization has many uses in the industry and in our daily lives. So, this is all about today's video, that is neutralization. This topic we have covered in the online session too. But if you have any doubts, you can go through this video and you can ask me your doubts anytime. Okay students, bye bye, take care, keep studying.